payment.
Guys, I decided to
Card na.
Hi guys, it's me Saumya and welcome back to my YouTube channel. This video is 110% going to make it to YouTube because I am going to buy a MacBook. I'm sorry, I cannot believe this. For some people this is not going to be like so special, but it is very special for me, and I can't believe I'm saying this. But yes, my birthday is coming in like 7 days and this is going to be a gift to me. Like, I'm gifting a MacBook to myself and I still cannot believe this, but anyways, I'm going to buy a MacBook Air and me and my family are now going to BKC Apple Store to get it, and we are going to get the discount, student discount and all that stuff. But yes, editing this video, I'm going to add a clip of me, Saumya's editing cam. And that video is going to be from the MacBook's web camera. I'm sorry, I'm just still in disbelief. But yes, I'm not sure, still not sure that if I'm going to get the MacBook Air M2 or the MacBook Air M3. But yes, today is the day, and today I'm going to make that big purchase and my bank account is going to scream at me like anything. The last big purchase was this camera, and that video is not even on my YouTube channel because of editing issues, and that issue is going to be solved now and I'm so happy. And yes, of course, I'm going to take you guys along in this journey, so let's go. This is the outfit that I'm going to be wearing. It's from my favorite brand, Savannah, and this is going to sound so cringe and corny for some of you guys, but I decided to wear blue because I'm going to get the blue MacBook. But anyways, this is my outfit and this is my current setup. That is a very old computer that my I think that's included in my 13th birthday vlog. My brother and my father surprised me with it, and that computer is supposed to be an office PC, but I do some very difficult editing things on that and it has treated me very well. Not going to complain because I have uploaded like 10 or 15 videos with the help of that computer. So I can't believe I'm upgrading now. The computer is still going to be there, it's not going anywhere, but still it's going to be a very big upgrade. We are very late. It's currently 7:09 and it's going to take us an hour to reach, but anyways, we are going. Bye. On your mark, that's it. We have reached Geo World Drive and the Apple Store is in this mall, and I'm still very confused which model I'm going to get, but of course we're going to make the decision today itself, and I'm very nervous. The excitement has turned into nervousness, which is quite obvious, but yeah.
बोल पेमेंट झाले बोल बोल झालं पेमेंट फायनली नाही एअरपोर्ट जातो आता हे एअरपोर्ट मी ओपन करणार एअरपोर्ट
Saumya, so I know you're paying for it.
सौम्या उलटा आहे आता. ओपन कुठून करणार माहितीये का?
आता कसं
काढ मग तसंच. तसंच कर तसंच कर. काढ ना. काम वाढवायचं कसं सौम्याकडून शिका. आता ते उलट ओपन करते तू. ओपन कुठून करणार?
यार पहिल्यांदा
आणि ऍपल काढण्याचा पट्टा करू.
rough because I woke up few hours ago, so we're going to ignore that. And I don't like doing makeup, so we're going to keep it very natural. Anyways, okay, so it's the next day, and today we're going to do all the fun part, which is setting up, customizing and exploring the MacBook. And let me tell you, I have been a loyal user of Windows, so I don't know how to use this thing, okay? So, and let me be honest here, I was struggling to use this yesterday in the store, but we are going to change that today. And so yes, we are going to put up a very aesthetic wallpaper, and we are going to add some widgets and make it all cute. And I'm going to try editing today as well. Probably going to edit this video or my Chennai vlog, which I think will be uploaded already. But yes, the beauty is sitting in front of me, totally untouched, because we came home at 2 AM and I decided अभी नहीं खोलने वाली मैं इसे, मैं कल सुबह खोलूँगी. So let's get started. And let me tell you, I skipped college for this. Okay guys, let's open this thing up. So let's get started. Okay, this thing is already opened, so nothing special. Ta-da! Yeah. Okay, let me get a little ready. I know I'm just making this a very big deal, but it is for me, so I don't want you guys to judge me. This is my baby. Okay, so we're gonna keep this aside. Let me show you guys what all things we get other than the MacBook. It's the charger, and it's a very beautiful charger. It comes in the color of the MacBook. By the way, I went for the midnight color, which is blue, dark blue, whatever. I don't want to open this thing up. And the manuals, and of course we're going to get stickers and all that stuff. The stickers are so pretty. Of course, no one uses these stickers, but no offense to anyone who uses these, okay? And of course, after that, we get a charging block, which is quite unusual for Apple, but it's a laptop. Of course, they have to include this thing. I don't feel like opening this, okay? Okay, anyways. Now let's go to the main character of this video, which is our beautiful, beautiful MacBook. ASMR. Fingerprints, the fingerprints. Let me show you guys. It's here. The blue color is not quite visible on the camera, but anyways, let's turn this thing on and start exploring.
Two hours later.
Okay, so I wanted to come here and update you guys. So it's been a while since me and my entire family we have been exploring this computer, and we even clicked pictures, and I got a editing software installed. It's Final Cut Pro. I got it downloaded in my MacBook, and I'm going to try to learn how to edit on that app because it's a little bit complicated and it's not like other applications. So right now I am transferring videos from my camera onto my hard drive because it's full, and my entire Chennai vlog has been stored in my camera since ages, so that's why I got it transferred so I can shoot this video. That's why I'm shooting on my phone right now. 35 GB is already transferred, and if we go to compare it to my computer, I think only 3 GB would have been transferred till now. 3 is actually too much for my computer too. I think hardly 2 GB actually. So the speed is crazy, and for me the difference is huge. So, but if you are someone who is going to upgrade from an M1 to an M3, the speed will not be noticeable, but this speed is like the difference is huge. After transferring all the footage from my camera to my hard drive, I'm finally back, and now we can officially start with the fun stuff. I'm literally so excited, and I've been waiting for this for so long. Now let's get started. So before starting out anything, I'm going to get myself logged in on this PC with my email ID so that I can get all the info on this computer. I totally forgot to mention one thing, that I got AirPods Generation 3 for free with this MacBook because I opted for the student discount thing, and I did not unbox it because I'm still not sure if I'm going to keep it. So that's that. I decided to move my entire setup on my desk so that you guys can get a clear view on what I am doing on the computer, on the laptop, I'm sorry. Now what I'm planning to do is make a wallpaper on my own because majority of the wallpapers don't have great quality. So I decided to recreate this as my wallpaper, and I wasn't able to find this exact same wallpaper anywhere, and if there was, then the quality was terrible, so I decided to make it myself, and this is how it turned out. Of course, there are a few changes in the stickers because I wasn't able to find the exact same stickers. So yes, this is how it looks, and I really like it. It looks cool, and now I'm going to add different widgets as well that you can see on the screen. Okay, so this is how my home screen looks like now, and I'm really happy with the way it turned out. I've added widgets here. This is the calendar widget, this is the song widget, and the to-do list widget thing. And over here I'm going to add a few folders and apps with different icons. So basically something like this, and yeah, that's basically it. I'm going to get rid of a few apps over here, but other than that, this is how my MacBook is going to look like. And now it's at 18%, and I'm planning to give it some rest and let it charge, and I'm going to charge myself up a little too. And I think after that I want to try how editing works on this, and I also want to learn Final Cut Pro. So after all this we are going to go on that, but I think I'm not going to include that part in this video. We are going to end the video right here. So after shooting some more clips, I'm going to shoot the outro part. We are all done with the setup, which means I'm going to end the vlog here. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and do let me know your thoughts about this video. And one more thing, most important thing, thank you so much for loving and supporting my character Ananya on Wagli Ki Dunya. And if you don't already know, I am currently working in a serial called Wagli Ki Dunya, and it's on Sub TV. If you haven't watched it, what are you doing? Go on Sub TV and watch the serial right now. And yes, thank you so much for showering so much love. And I reply to all the comments on my posts, reels and videos, so do let me know your thoughts about it, and I'll definitely reply to you. Like, I'm trying my best to reply to every single comment. Let me know in the comments how you like the editing of this video and what videos you want me to make next. And yes, of course, I'm going to make a vlog on the sets of Wagli Ki Dunya, so stay tuned for that. The video is going to be very fun, and because I'm planning to shoot it in the coming weeks, so stay tuned. And comment this emoji if you have made it till the end, so I'll get to know that you are the OG. This guy has been sleeping on my bed since morning, and I'm not even joking. Anyways, so keep showering your love and support, and I'll bring out more content for you guys. I know I have been so inactive on all of my social media platforms, but that thing is going to definitely change now. And yes, bye bye, take care and keep smiling.